Hey, thank you for joining us over here on our sales and letting agency lead generation Jumpstart. This event is all about generating you leads. Now, hey, I've been in the industry for over 30 years, so I've tried it all. We've done all the void letters and the cold calls and the power hours and the leaflets and the door knocking. This is not what that is about, okay? This is what's new. This is about lead generation. It's about lead automation. It's about throwing as many leads as you possibly can. Using these techniques, agents can generate 200, 300 or 400 leads or even more in 1 month alone. So I'm going to show you how to take control of your lead generation. This is something that we haven't had since the days of the newspapers. We used to spend more money on the ads and we get more leads, but that doesn't work anymore. But now it does with this, what I'm going to be sharing with you. On this one day, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can take control of your lead generation. You can literally turn it up or turn it down. You can generate as many leads as you want. You can automate the nurture process, and I'm going to be showing you how to nurture and how to convert those leads as well. So it's a full-on one-day workshop, totally designed for generating you leads. Now, this is a business owner event. This is not for staff. And the reason I say that is this is about strategy and structure. This is for business owners to learn how they can get control of generating the leads for their business, and they can make sure they can actually take control of that very, very important part of their business. Now, you know as well as I do that as a business owner, if you haven't got control of your marketing, or you don't get round to it, don't have time or anything like that, you know as I do, in the end, the business dries up. We can only rely on referral and recommendation for so long, and that's why this is so important, and I want to share it with you. I'll be showing you the real actual campaigns that we and many other agent rainmakers use to generate 200, 300, 400 and more new landlord and vendor leads into their business every single month. Now, I'm not promising you're going to convert 400, but what you will do is you'll be making sure that you are actually getting those leads into the business, which is people for your listers to call, people for them to convert, people to book valuations, people to nurture. And what difference would that make to your business if you actually had a database of around 4, 5, 6 or 7,000 landlords in your area? And that's what I'm talking about. Generating prospects and generating leads, not only valuations. And ultimately, if you do one, you will get the other. It's powerful stuff, guys. And this is why I wanted to put this one-day event on, because so many letting agents and estate agents are still doing what they've always done. Leaflets, power hour, void letters, door knocking. Really? We need to get with the program. And so I want to show you how you can do it. Now, the beauty of this thing as well is you don't necessarily have to do it. You can pass this on, but you need to learn how to do it. And so come and join me on the one day. Click the link below, find out a little bit more, and I'll see you on the other side. Look forward to sharing it with you. Thank you.